So good morning, everyone. We were doing the question answers on Nelson Mandela, and what was the last question that I had given you, beta?
Ma'am, what promise did Mandela make to his people in the oath taking?
Okay, what promise was made by Nelson Mandela? This was the question in the oath-taking ceremony.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the next one. What did Mandela say? What did Mandela say about the future of the country in his speech? What did Mandela say about the future of the country in his speech? What did Mandela say about the future of the country in his speech? Written.
Yes, ma'am.
This was given. How did South African jets, helicopters, and troops demonstrate? I had given you this question.
No, ma'am.
Okay, write down. How did South African jets, comma, helicopters and troops, demonstrate?
Ma'am, what is after helicopter
And
Ma'am.
troops, TROOPS, troops demonstrate?
मैम
Yes, बेटा.
मैम कितने क्वेश्चन लिखा दिए मैम आपने?
अब मुझे कोई याद है क्या कितने लिखा दिए? आपको ध्यान नहीं है? You were not there in the class.
मैम हमारा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी मैम इसलिए.
तो बेटा, how many questions overall? Leave the short
Ma'am,
ones.
6.
Short ones कितने थे राहुल?
6. Ma'am, 6.
Short, very short जो थे ना वो 1 line के, मैंने कहा
Ma'am, very short one.
how many?
15. 15.
15 थे
15.
Tarun, very
15.
short. Okay, they
Yes,
can
ma'am.
come as multiple
And
choice or 1 line answers. और ये वाले?
Yes,
6. 6. Short answer.
Ma'am,
6.
ma'am, this is 7.
This is the 7th one. Which one is the 7th?
मैम ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन है ना मैम, ये जो आप
नहीं,
लिखा
ये
है.
शॉर्ट ही है बेटा, ये थोड़े से वो हैं, मे बी 40 to 80 words. Okay.
यस मैम लॉन्ग.
हाँ, not very long. Okay, those were very 1 line. 15 questions were 1 line answers.
One
Okay, now you can say these are the short ones. Not very
Yes, ma'am.
short, but short. These are. Okay. So if you are not having Tarun, you just watch the video.
मैम
Okay, see the video. If anybody misses anything, just go to the video, watch it, and just copy it down. Listen to the videos, listen to the questions, and write down the answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how did South African jets, helicopters, and troops demonstrate? Written, beta. Whose names were particularly taken? Write down the next one. Whose names were particularly taken? by Mandela in the inauguration ceremony, whose names were particularly taken by Mandela in the inauguration ceremony. Written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then write down, describe Nelson Mandela's life journey. Describe Nelson Mandela's life journey from a prisoner to the first Black president of South Africa. Describe Nelson Mandela's life journey from a prisoner to the first Black president of South Africa.
Yes, ma'am.
Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say how 10th May, can you say how 10th May is an autumn day, single inverted, in South Africa. In South Africa.
Ma'am, this question is in.
It is there in the
Ma'am,
book.
this- yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oral comprehension check, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा, ठीक है. What idols, IDEALS, idols, does Nelson Mandela set out for the future of South Africa? What idols does Nelson Mandela set out for the future of South Africa? Written.
Yes, ma'am.
How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
questions now?
10. 11.
11.
10.
10 are there or 11 are there?
Ma'am, 10.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Enough. Others you have to copy down from the book. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has written?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now. So, beta, the next chapter will be which one? Which one
Ma'am,
will be the
100
next?
dresses part 2.
Ma'am,
100 dresses part 2.
The 100 dresses?
Part 2.
Part 2. Okay. So, what is the story of the first part? Who can narrate the story of the first part? Who can narrate the story of the first part? Who remembers? What is the story about? Hurry up, beta. Yes. Who will narrate the story? Samiksha is ready with the story. Or Irfan will come out with the story. Nobody knows. Rahul? You are there, you are saying, ma'am, we have to begin with the second part, so first part must be clear to you, na beta? Yes, children. If the first part is not clear, how can I begin with the second one? Yes, Harsh?
Ma'am, in this story there are three girls. Ma'am, there are one girl which is very poor and come to a bad,
A
very
bit
poor
louder,
society.
beta, a bit louder, okay?
So, ma'am, in the school, the two girls always tease him, always tease him
Okay,
by saying
so
that you
what
are
is
a
the
poor
name?
girl and your
Yes, Harsh.
ma'am Peggy and ma'am, I don't know the another one.
Okay, what is the story, the main story
Ma'am,
about? It is about a quiet and
ma'am,
shy girl named
Panda.
Ma'am,
Vanda
ma'am,
Petronovsky.
ma'am,
yes, ma'am,
Yes,
Vanda
Tarun.
Petronsky.
ma'am, Maddie and Peggy, ma'am, was ma'am, uh,
What happened?
intelligent girl,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Maggie,
they are
Yes,
Maggie
two
and
girls,
Peggy
ma'am,
Petronsky.
and
Maddie and
Maddie, they were
Peggy.
two girls and they
Ma'am,
were
ma'am, they
continuously,
were intelligent, and ma'am, they
fine,
also ma'am rich.
but they continuously teased Vanda, na? Vanda Petronovsky, she is the main character of the story, na? Isn't it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
And she's
Ma'am, they
very quiet.
always fun other girls.
Yes, she's very quiet and shy. Okay. And she was a Polish girl, an immigrant who had come to America with her family. Okay. And with other children, she used to attend the school with American school. She used to attend with other children. And everybody, as she was a Polish girl, so everybody found her name very funny. Right? Why? Because they had very
Yes, ma'am.
easier names, and her name, it was quite different from the other names. And she was very poor. Always, Vanda could be seen wearing a faded blue dress. Okay, but
Yes, ma'am.
she said that she had 100 dresses. So all the classmates, they kept on teasing her. Right? सब उसको tease करते थे because she claimed that she had 100 dresses, right? And what happens? The mainly two of them who teased her were Peggy and Maddie.
Best
Yeah.
friends.
Yes, Peggy was the most famous girl in the school. Okay, and Vanda, hardly anybody knew Vanda. Only her classmates knew her. Why? She was a very quiet and shy girl. ठीक है? ये तो आ गया था समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Peggy and Vanda, every day they used to wait for her, okay, before the school. Even if they were late, still they waited for her to come with them. But Peggy, she was quite this thing, but Maddie, she also belonged to a poor family.
Cool.
And she did not like that Vanda should be made fun of. Okay, whenever Peggy, she made fun of Vanda, Maddie, she did not like it. Okay, why? Because she had this fear in her that she could be the next one who could be made fun of. समझ में आया? उसकी फ्रेंड जब पैगी
Yes, ma'am.
वेंडा की हंसी उड़ाती थी ना, तो मैडी को पसंद नहीं आता था. क्यों? उसको लगता था कि अभी तो वेंडा की हंसी उड़ रही है बिकॉज शी इज अ पुअर गर्ल, लेकिन मैडी हर्सेल्फ बिलोंग टू अ पुअर फैमिली, तो उसको ये लगता था कि इवन अ टाइम विल कम, समय आएगा तो इवन शी वुड बी मेड फन ऑफ। ओके, जो पैगी है उसकी भी हंसी उड़ाएगी। सो शी वांटेड दैट Peggy should stop making fun of Venda. Okay, but she did not have so much of courage, you know, क्योंकि उसको ये लगता था कि if I am going to tell Peggy, I might lose my friend, okay, my best friend, I might lose, okay, and हालांकि जो पैगी थी ना बेटा, उसकी ऐसी कोई इंटेंशन नहीं थी टू हर्ट वेंडा, बस ऐसे ही मजे लेती थी और वो जानना चाहती थी, शी वॉज वेरी मच क्यूरियस कि इफ शी हैड 100 ड्रेसेस व्हाई शी ऑफन वोर एवरी डे शी यूज्ड टू कम इन फेडेड ब्लू ड्रेस। समझ गए? और वेंडा क्लेम करती है कि मेरे पास 100 ड्रेसेस हैं, तो पैगी बस यही जानना चाहती थी कि भाई यदि 100 ड्रेसेस हैं तो फेडेड ब्लू ड्रेस में वो क्यों आती है। क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, अब जो ट्रुथ होता है वो कब निकल कर आता है? ऑन द वेरी ड्राइंग कंपटीशन होता है उस दिन।
Competition.
When she was created a beautiful drawing.
यस, she made
100
Ma'am,
beautiful
100
drawing
dresses की
of
drawing
100
थी.
dresses।
हाँ.
ओके, हाँ, इसलिए वो कहती थी। तो जिस दिन ड्राइंग कंपटीशन होता है उस दिन दे सी कि रूम के अंदर इट वाज लाइंड अप विद 100 ड्राइंग्स, यू नो, ऑल मेड ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेसेस। ठीक है, हर ड्रेस, यू नो, इट लुक्ड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, है ना। तो उस दिन ऐसा लगा कि वास्तव में वेंडा शी हैड 100 ड्रेसेस ऑल लाइंड अप इन द क्लासरूम। ठीक है, और उस समय पैगी और ये जो थे ना मैडी, दे रियलाइज्ड, ओके, कि क्या थ्योरी थी ये 100 ड्रेसेस की, और बहुत गिल्टी फील करते हैं कि हाउ डिड दे ट्रीटेड हर। दिस वाज द स्टोरी। अब वो चाहते भी हैं उससे सॉरी मांगना, बट बाय दिस टाइम शी हैड ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट द प्लेस एंड मूव्ड विद हर फैमिली। ओके, ये थी 100 ड्रेसेस की स्टोरी। ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी है ये 100 ड्रेसेस की। ओके, पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2। और जो फादर हैं वो लिख देते हैं शी वोंट बी कमिंग। दोनों गर्ल्स उसके घर तक भी जाती हैं, बट वेयर डिड शी लिव? कहाँ रहती थी बेटा वो?
Ma'am, she lies in Bogging Heights.
Yeah, she lived in Boggins Heights. Okay, और वहां तक जाते भी हैं, but they could not find her as the family they had moved. Okay, they had left the place and they had already moved out. समझ में आया? तो फर्स्ट और सेकंड पार्ट में यही है। Yes, it is a long part. Na? So, beta, tomorrow we are going to begin with it. Okay? Tomorrow we'll begin with the 100 dresses, right? But before beginning, we'll just give a reading to the first part also. समझ गए? फर्स्ट पार्ट की भी हम रीडिंग देंगे जिससे आपके दिमाग में वो रिकनेक्ट हो जाए स्टोरी, वापस आप रिकॉल कर लें। ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, जिनको याद नहीं है या भूल गए वो रिकॉल कर लेंगे। फाइन बेटा?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, when are you ready to take the test? See, we are going to have the test once the chapter finishes. Okay, so Nelson Mandela, it is already completed now. So when are you going to take the test? Tell me the day when you are going to take the test. बता दो कभी भी, multiple choice I am going to give you. Multiple also.
Friday.
हाँ, बोलो।
Friday.
Friday. Everybody is ready?
Ma'am, Friday or Saturday?
Saturday, beta,
Saturday off
Saturday,
है.
it's off. We don't have class on Saturday, na? Beta, we
Ma'am,
don't
Monday.
have class. Monday?
Monday.
Monday, okay, fine.
Ma'am.
How many of you are ready? Just raise your hands. Monday or Friday? First Monday, who? How many of you are ready? Raise your hands. Rahul is eager to give on Friday. Many of the students. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Many participants are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul,
On Monday.
Monday will be fine, beta. Okay. By the
Yes,
time
ma'am.
we can just do the first part of the 100 dresses once more, we are going to give it a reading. Okay. Now the
Okay.
test, either I'm going to upload it on the school app or whatever. Okay. However, I'm convenient, I'll just let you know. I'll just send you the message. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ठीक है
ma'am.
बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, because maybe Sunday we may have the duties as there is a CBSE NEET examination, no? So we might have the duties. So, but Monday you better read the chapter thoroughly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe it may be a verbal
Yes, ma'am.
test, maybe a written one, or maybe the multiple choice, whatever. Okay. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
टेस्ट से क्या होगा, अपना रिवीजन हो जाएगा टेस्ट होगा तो. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए,
Yes,
गॉड
ma'am.
ब्लेस यू
Yes, ma'am.
चिल्ड्रन.